Hello, everyone. We would like to introduce to you one of the SmartAgriHub application for groundwater and meteo sensors. To be short, it is an application which not only integrates data sensors and provides thematic spatial data, but it uses Earth observation, climatic, and IoT data. And it can also provide a weather forecast. So now I will ask several questions which will be answered by the experts who work very hard on this app. Mr. Karel Charvát, Michal Kepka, František Zadražil, and last but not least, Raitis Bergins. So here's the first question. Tell us, why should people vote for this particular application?
We are offering a unique solution that is in very simple form, providing integration of different kinds of data. We are integrating data from Earth observation, from IoT, from climatic domain, or all this data that can be used for smart farming. And we are using open infrastructure and open standards.
Okay, thank you. Raitis, this question is for you. What is the main functionality of the application?
Well, the application serves as a dashboard for monitoring sensor readings, the historical part, and also providing forecasts, like meteorological forecasts, and also running different analyses on the field, which tell when to spray the field, or will there be some frost risk, and when the different plant growth stages will occur. The system provides various satellite imagery layers, but the user can also add new data sources. And the system also works on mobile phones as well as web browser.
Okay, thank you. Next question goes again to Michal. What type of data do you use?
We are using practically various sets of data, from classical thematic spatial data like field boundaries, water bodies, protected areas, or other thematic regional data. But we are using farm-specific data sets, for example, yield or fertilization data. We are using open data from European space agencies, from Copernicus program. And we are using as well weather forecasts and historical weather data. So it's a combination of a lot of data sources.
Okay, thank you. František, please explain to us which infrastructure is used.
Well, the application stands on multiple technologies, from SensorLog, which is a web-based sensor data management system that provides API to work with sensor data, to web mapping frameworks like HSlayers or Layman, whose role is to publish and visualize the data for the end users. There is also a Python-based web service, which is responsible for processing the analysis, and several other open source technologies. We are using cloud-based hosting for all the components that are included in the whole process workflow. And the application is built on the principles of innovation hubs. And I have to say that we already have a long experience in that field.
Okay, thank you. Michal, again, could you please tell us how was the application developed?
Yeah, the application is product of project consortium that is international team, and it consists of Baltic Open Solutions Center as technical developer, Lesprojekt as cloud hosting and services provider, Swiss meteorological company meteoblue, Union Farmers Parliament Latvia, that is a coordinator of the pilot, and pilot farm from Latvia, Vilcini 1.
Okay, thanks. And now we would like to know the main benefits of the application. Karel, would you tell us something about this?
Yes, what is important that with our solution, we are offering two benefits. We are offering economical benefit for farmers, but also common environmental benefit for all society. On one side, we are able to reduce usage of fertilizer and pesticide, what is also reducing the cost for farmers. But with this, we have a positive influence on the groundwater, soil, water, and also with the solution we are able to mitigate risk with weather events and climatic changes.
Okay, great, thank you. Michal, could you please explain if there is a possibility how to extend the application to other countries?
Yes, we are building this application as a personalized application, so it's possible to create for separate farms, for separate farmers, own workspaces with own data and own connections to services. And when we have access to, let's say, open source data or open source services in a particular country, we can just integrate them and provide for particular regions or particular countries. And we are trying to keep, let's say, the personalized content right on demand of.
Okay, thank you. And last questions again to you, Michale. What is the model for potential extension of these services?
So we are offering cloud hosting services based on Lesprojekt cloud. So we can offer providing of services from different data providers, or if you would like just to publish your data in cloud. And we are looking for potential cooperation with service providers and with further data integration. So how to extend all this content of the application. So floor is up to you, and we can very easily cooperate.
Okay, thank you all for your responses. So now we hope that we were able to give you an extra insight to this groundwater and meteo sensors application. Thank you.
Thank you, Markéta.
Thank you.